Come on, kids. Come on, Toby. Hi, Winston. Good morning, Smokey. Excuse me, Gracie. Well, you guys scared him off, didn't you? Little Toby, you were a little tough guy. You were a little tough guy. A little more relaxed than yesterday, right, Toby? Yes, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. You tell him. What do you say, guys? Should we go in? Come on, kids. Come on, Toby. Hi, Winnie. Come on, we'll go in. Little Toby. Oh, Coby, you leave Smokey alone. Come on, little buddy. Come on. Let's go in. Come on, let's go in. Come on, guys. All inside. Come on, Winnie. Come on, Winston. Good boy. All right, let's see if we can find some treats for you kids. I know you don't like treats, but you want to try this? Everybody else is eating. No? Okay. And that goes to Coby. Where's the big Toby?
Smokey Robinson is responding to a lawsuit brought by 4 unnamed women who allege they were repeatedly sexually assaulted and harassed by Robinson, 24. Robinson's attorney has issued a statement saying, in part, this is simply an ugly extract money from an 85-year-old American icon. It goes on. The plaintiff's attorneys outlined false allegations against Mr. and Mrs. Robinson